Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So it's official, Huawei is preparing to release its first clamshell smartphone, the P50 Pocket. After Oppo, inspired by Samsung's foldable phone and launched the Oppo Find N, Huawei appears to be influenced by Samsung's Galaxy Flip. The year 2022 appears to be the year of foldable smartphones. According to a Weibo post from the company's official account, the P50 Pocket has a clamshell design that folds out to the size of a smartphone, unlike Huawei's early Mate X foldable which folds from a tablet to a smartphone. Official images of the P50 Pocket found in a photo shoot and shared on Weibo make it look like a sleek tiny foldable. It looks to have dual camera bump similar to the Huawei P50, but the lower ring has been repurposed as a small external screen that may show notification or function as a camera viewfinder. It's wonderful to watch the foldable smartphone market grow in terms of competition and possibilities, as more competition means cheaper price and better gadgets. Let's hope Huawei can deliver another and more fantastic foldable phones. Anyway, according to an Engadget China, the phone has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for security and it comes in silver and gold colors. They are basing it on the Huawei P50 phone, which was unveiled earlier this year and had an outstanding array of cameras, a Snapdragon 888 CPU and the company's Harmony OS Android derivative. If Huawei releases this smartphone with good performance at a reasonable price, it could give the Samsung Galaxy Flip a run for its money and make its way to the fashionable phone to be carried. Aside from the folding design, it's unclear what the differences between the P50 Pro and the P50 Pocket are right now. As for the cameras and battery size, the company may downgrade them as Samsung did for its foldable phones to reduce thickness when folded. But beyond that, we can only speculate. On its Weibo social media account, Huawei also shared two teaser photographs of its future foldable smartphones. On December 23, 2021, Huawei is scheduled to make an official announcement about the phone. It will join a growing list of foldable smartphones that includes the Oppo Find N, Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold and Z Flip devices, the Motorola Razr, Xiaomi Mi Mix Fold and others. Following its departure from Huawei earlier this year, Honor is said to be working on its own foldable phone. What do you think about this Huawei's clamshell phone? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.